Hi, in this video we will understand fiscal year, posting periods and special periods. Financial year is called as fiscal year in SAP. Any fiscal year consists of 12 months. In India, April is the first month in financial year and the last month is March of next following year. In SAP, every month is called as period, but as per calendar, month number for April is 4 and May is 5th month and so on, and December is 12th month. And again, January is the first month, February is the second month, and month number for March is 3. As per calendar year, so these are the month number as per calendar year, and the month in which transactions are posted are called as posting periods. In SAP, there is a concept called as special periods. These special periods are also months, but will be used to post specific type of transactions like adjustment entries and year-end activities. In SAP, we can define up to 4 special periods. These special periods will start immediately following the last posting period. That means the first special period will start as soon as the last posting period ends, and all the next special periods will be in a sequence. And the month number will be same as per the calendar year, that is 4, 5, 6 and 7. And documents posted in any special period will get reflected in the last posting period. In SAP, financial year 25-26 is called as fiscal year 2025 because in SAP, the year in which more number of months falls in is called as fiscal year. For example, in India, financial year starts from April 1st and ends on March 31st. So, in the year 2025, we have 9 months starting from April till December. And in the year 2026, we only have 3 months, January, February and March. Now, if we compare 25 and 26, year 2025 has more number of months than the year 2026. So, fiscal year will be 2025 because the rule says that fiscal year is the year in which more number of months are falling in, or the year in which more number of months falls in is called as fiscal year. And now we will go to SAP and define this fiscal year. So now we are in SAP Easy Access. From SAP Easy Access, type SPRO in the command bar. Click on SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting. Go to Financial Accounting Global Settings and then Ledgers. Here we have fiscal year and posting periods. So now go into fiscal year and posting periods. Here we have first option, maintain fiscal year variant. Execute this. And the transaction code to maintain fiscal year variant is OB29. Now click on new entries to create a new fiscal year variant. I'll give our fiscal year variant as 7S. Description I'll give 777. Fiscal year April to March. And this calendar year checkbox will be used only when the fiscal year and calendar year is same. Then we need to check this box of calendar year. And if the year is less than 12 months, if the financial year is less than 12 months, check this box of year dependent. And number of posting periods is 12 and special periods is 4. So we will learn this number of posting periods and special periods first before we do the configuration. Here there is a concept called as year shift. The formula for year shift is fiscal year minus calendar year. So year shift for April month will be fiscal year minus calendar year. For example, For April month, if we take the month for April, fiscal year will be 2025 minus calendar year 2025 is 0. And if we see for May month, fiscal year 2025 minus calendar year 2025 is 0. But if we see the year shift for January month, fiscal year 2025 minus calendar year 2026, that will be minus 1. And the same way for February month of also, for the February month also, the fiscal year 2025 minus calendar year 2026 will be minus 1. So here, if we see from April to December 2025, the year shift will be 0. And from January 2026 to March 2026, the year shift will be minus 1. So this year shift we will be doing now in the configuration. So now give the special posting periods as 4 and number of posting periods will be 12. After this, click enter and click on save. Select on request. If there is no request, we can create one request by clicking on create request and type the short description as FICO and click on save and click on continue. So now we will define period names and special periods, the number of months in a, the number of days in a month. Select this line of 777 and the fiscal year variant 7 is, double click on periods. Here click on new entries. Now if we see as per calendar year, the month is 4 and the days, how many days are there in the fourth month? There are 30 days and period will be 1. Year shift will be 0 and month will be 5 next month and 31 days and period will be 2. Year shift will be 0. In the same way, for the next month, 6th month, 30 days, period 3 and 0. Next is 7th month, 31 days, period will be 4, year shift will be 0. And for the 8th month, 31 days, period will be 5 and year shift will be 0. Click enter to get into next line. Give the next month, that is 9, and number of days in that 9th month is 30, period will be 6 and year shift will be 0. As per calendar year, the month number is 10 and the day in it is 31 and period will be 7th month and year shift will be 0. 11th month, that is November month, 30 days and period will be 8, year shift will be 0. 12th month, 31 days, period will be 9, year shift will be 0. Click enter to get into next line. Again, give the month number as 1. This is the month of January. In January month, we have 31 days and period will be 10. Year shift will be minus 1. And for the second month, days will be 29 and period will be 11 and minus 1. Year shift will be minus 1. And the third month, 31 days, posting period will be 12. Year shift will be minus 1. Click enter and then click on save. And now double click on period texts to give the names for the each and every month. Now click on new entries. Here give the language as EN and period, first period, April month. Here give the full description, April, language will be EN, second period, May, and the third month will be, third posting period will be June, fourth posting period will be July, and the fifth period will be August, sixth period will be September, and seventh period will be October. Click enter to get into next line. And eighth month will be, eighth period will be November, and ninth period will be December, and the 10th period will be January, and the 11th period will be February, and the last period will be that is 12th, that is March. After giving all the text for each and every period, click enter and then save it. This is how we create the fiscal year variant. And in the next video, we will see how to create the posting periods and special periods.